Hey everyone, this is Jen with Zest for Travel. We are talking about Kauai today. And so I want to share with you the resort we stayed at, the Koloa Landing Autograph Resort in POIPU. And it was amazing. It's a Marriott resort and the pools were amazing. We toured a 2-bedroom villa, which we posted. You can check out on our YouTube page, Zest for Travel. But I wanted to share with you the room that we stayed in. It was a studio, which was perfect. There were just two of us. Had a small kitchenette, and the other thing that was amazing that it had all the rooms have a stackable full washer and dryer. So we knew that we would be able to do laundry really easily, and so we didn't have to pack as much because we washed our clothes about halfway through and it was super easy. So we love the resort. Want to share the room tour with you. I do want to note that this property is not on the beach, and I read some reviews that some people were disappointed in that. It's about a 10-minute walk to a swimmable beach, and you know, for us that was fine, and we knew that going in, and I wouldn't let it deter you because this property is really amazing. So check in with us when you are ready to book your next trip to Hawaii. We are destination specialists for the island, and we can help you pick the island or islands that are best suited for the type of vacation you want to have. So hope to speak to you soon.